Hi, I'm Logan with Buzy here with your September quick home tips and tricks that are often overlooked items. Number one is caulking. Caulking, especially anywhere where water can get into, around doors and windows outside and in bathrooms and kitchen inside. A $2 tube of caulk can really save you a lot of money over the long term with any place that water can get into. Another one is dryer vent cleaning, really often overlooked, but you're losing a lot of efficiency dryer vent, and then it's obviously also a big fire hazard in homes. So make sure you get your dryers vent cleaned at least once a year. They recommend twice a year if you have pets. In that same vein, gutter cleaning. I recently drove by one of my rental properties and realized there was a couple small little trees growing out of the gutters, and quickly had those gutter cleaned. You don't want water getting in behind the gutters and rotting out your fascia board, your soffits, or even worse, getting inside the home. Also, if you have a sump pump in your basement or a crawl space, that's something that every year you need to take a couple minutes, pour some water in there, make sure the pump kicks on. That way, when water does get down in there, it's easily brought out of the house and you don't have any backup issues. And then last but not least, after a long hot summer, is your HVAC drain lines. If you ever see water coming out of your secondary drain line around a window, that's a problem. See if there's any water in the pan, but that means your primary drain line coming right out of your unit is clogged up. Can usually be solved by just dumping a cup of bleach down it, and then you shouldn't have to worry about it again until the next season comes around. Hope you enjoyed those tips and tricks. Thanks.